Hello children, our lesson for today is chapter 5, Coal and Petroleum, okay? In this lesson, we are going to learn how they are formed and for what purpose they are used, okay? Firstly, let's say about inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources te chu ni eng sunlight le air boruak te hi alang sarber ti ania renewable resources anti boka kan hmangral theilawa manna satviau pon adang thar alo insiam le ngal zel theini exhaustible natural resource su non-renewable resource antia voikhat kan man to chu mannon le the anni to lawani and some of the exhaustible natural resources are forest, wildlife, coal, petroleum and natural gas, okay? And some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas were formed from the dead remains of living organisms. So these are also known as fossil fuels. Now, we'll take a look at our first topic, coal. Coal hi ay rongbol na atante, rail engine ti kalnante, thermal power plant a electric siam chua nante le, industry shanga te, fuel, coal ti nun na atan an mang na sa ani. Now, the story of coal. Where do we get coal from and how it is formed? You may ask yourself these questions, is not it? Yes, it is really interesting to know how do we get coal. Now, let's see. Kum magtadway zathum liam ta khan khovel hi ramhnuai piklut tuk thing le mau kha deu vek na mun ania chung thing le mau tam tak chu leimin te tuilian wangte in tuilian zoka tollutin leinhnuaya an toiral thin ani leinhnuai temperature le pressure sang lutuk chuan chung thlai thi troi te chu muang changin kol lung al theya an lo chang thin ani chu wang chuan kol hi fossil fuel tho ti na ani chu hetianga thlai thi troi atanga kol in siam hi carbonization an ti bokani and when heated in air coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas and coal is commonly used in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas, okay? Now let's see coke. It is gray, hard and porous fuel and black substance with a high carbon content. It is important industrial product and used mainly in the smelting of iron ore and manufacture of steel, okay? Now, coal tar. It is black, thick liquid with unpleasant smell. It is used for synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, roofing materials, etc. Okay? Next is coal gas. It is flammable gaseous fuel made from coal and is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants, okay? Now, next topic is petroleum. Petrol le diesel te hi lir thei zang khai deuh chi bike kan ti te scooty cars le motor dang chen khata te man thin ani a and they are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. It was formed from organisms living in the sea. When these organisms died, their body buried at the bottom of the sea and was covered by layers of sand and clay. Where there is no air but high temperature and high pressure, and after many millions of years, the dead organisms transformed into petroleum and natural gas. Now, refining of petroleum. Before it was refining, it is dark, oily liquid and unpleasant smell, and it is called crude oil. Crude oil chu an thlifima an thlitfim nu aman na then khate chu table han enila. Number 1 is petroleum gas LPG uses fuel for home and industry. Number 2, petrol, motor fuel, aviation fuel. Number 3, kerosene, fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircrafts. Number 4, diesel, fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Number 5, lubricating oil for lubrication. And the last one, number 6, bitumen, paints, road surfacing. Okay. Now, next topic is natural gas. It is also a very important fossil fuels, okay? Natural gas po hi ko le petroleum ang thawa thai le ran thi troi le hnuaya hun rei to tak in phum bo temperature le pressure sang lu tuk in upatanga in siam ania. It is used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting and is cleaner fuel, okay? That is why it is commonly used for cooking, and in some places it is supplied through pipelines. This pipeline exists in Gujarat and some parts of Delhi. Natural gas hi India ram hun chen khata heng Tripura te, Rajasthan te, Maharashtra kan ti vela te hian mu an ni a tangkai taka man mek ani. Okay, that's all we can say from this lesson. Thank you.